The architecture, engineering, construction and operation sector has historically been affected by low productivity due mainly to the following factors: the existence of different sources of information, a poor understanding of it, your difficulty of access, and a lack of coincidence between documentation and geometry. In conclusion, it happens what we could call the broken telephone effect. This effect creates mistakes in the communication flow during project processes, losing and changing information given, wasting resources and slowing productivity. This problem has resulted in a communication gap between the different agents involved, which leads to a drop in productivity in construction sector, which compared to manufacturing is estimated at $1.6 trillion per year. In VT Lab, we solve this problem with VT Platform, a web platform that offers the possibility to manage, visualize and interact with your BIM models, integrating them into virtual, augmented and mixed reality without need for any software or knowledge in BIM methodology, both in the office and on-site simultaneously. Thanks to this, we bring to the frontline workers an affordable tool in an economic and easy-to-use way which allows them access to all information provided by the office workers from a simple smartphone in a natural and intuitive way. In this way, we solve the broken phone effect and we bridge the gap, facilitating collaboration and communication between all the agents, creating a high-quality information flow and increasing productivity. This is VT Platform, a product from VT Lab. Work in digital and real world as just one.